Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make this kind of nav bar using Flexbox. So let me see. So first what I am going to do is I am going to go to open a new folder which is a I'm going to open up a new folder which is a web banner. Okay, so I am going to make another one is a site 5. Here I am going to type cmd code space dot to open up our project VS Code editor. It's open up successfully, you can see. Now what I'm going to do is this one, right click. Now I'm going to go to open up a new file, index.html. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down shift key down and press 1. You can get this mark to import the HTML codes. Okay, so shift plus 1. You can easily get this HTML standard codes. Now what I'm going to do is now you can see there are 3 items. This is a logo, this is a nav bar, this is a buttons. Okay, so we have 3 items. So how to separate the items? You go to our index page here. I'm going to make, first you have to make it a div dot container. Press tab key on your keyboard. After that we need a 3 items. So how to separate the 3 items? Div dot item asterisk 3 plus tab key on your keyboard. We have separately aligned 3 items. You will be able to see the 3 items will be aligned. Okay, the 3 items. So this item we have separated by where, which is a logo. It is a logo, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it another folder which is a images. Sorry, it's a folder. Images. Okay, I'm going to go to the reveal in folder here, this one. I already have an image. I just copy this image. I'm going back to this folder. Right click, reveal in export this one. Inside the images folder, you have to print, you have to paste it. Right. Now you have to call it here. You have to call it here. You have to type image src images, this one. Okay, so this is how you have to make the alignment simple. Okay, same alignment you have to write here width 120 pixel, height 50 pixel. That's it. Now let's file save all and bring back to the application. Check. So you have to, if you are not installed the live server, you have to go to the extension. You have to search the live server. This one. You have to click and it's defaultly coming install. You click on that button and install the live server in your machine. After install that, you can get the go live, this option. Click on this. You can get this one. Okay, so we are not giving any style, that's why it's not showing. Okay, so here this is the I have put created the logo as a white color, that's why it didn't show now. Okay, now second one, what you're going to do is we have to make the links. Okay, we have to make the links, right? Okay, what are the links we need? So we have to write here, you have to write this one should be the nav links. This one should be the button, this one should be the logo. We have to change the things. Nav links, you have to write if you write it here as projects, services, about, contact. So these are the nav links I have put. Okay, so here's a button. We need a two buttons. We need a button. So what are the buttons? Login and registration buttons. Okay, so that button, two buttons we need it. So the button, dot a class nav button. Login, register. There are two buttons, which is a login and register. Okay, now let's continue. These are the two buttons we have to do it. Put it, login and register button. Right, now after that, what I'm going to do is we have deleted things successfully in our design part. Everything is success. Now let's go to the CSS style. So here we have tried it here, put into another folder, which is a CSS. This folder I'm going to make it as a file, which is here style.css. Style.css. Why is the problem? Okay, style.css. Okay, first I'm going to make the body and make it as, I'm going to make it here as margin 0, padding 0. After the justify content, you have to make it as center. Font, I'm going to font family, I'm going to make it as this one, nano, to sans. Okay, so after that you have the container. Display flex, justify content, center, width 100 pixel, height 100 pixel, background color I'm going to make it as a this background color, align items center. Padding I'm going to start with 50 pixel. We have to give the 50 pixel left to left and right the position. Gap container, the gap I'm going to put it here as 30 pixel. Color I'm going to text color I'm going to make it as white. Okay, now let's file save all. You can check it over here. We have to this one, you have to attach the CSS style link, relationship, style sheet, style sheet, href relationship, CSS style sheet. That's it. Now what I'm going to see the container, you have styled it. Now let's save all and bring back to the application and check it. Here it is working. You will be able to see it's working. Look like this way. Okay, it's working. Look like this way. Now we have to do the thing is we have to. This is the I'm not expert this one. I want to make this little bit correction. Little bit justify content. We have to take it as space between, not center. Justify content. You would make it as space between. Here it's successfully space between. Okay, space between. You have to put it this space between. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it the nav links. You write a nav links and okay. Now we have to write nav links. You have to write nav links dot nav links open and close bracket. Here you have to write display flags or the gap 30 pixel gap. The 20 pixel gap. You have to write 20 pixel gap. You have to write nav links. You have to write anchor. You have to text decoration none. You have to write none. Color you have to write it as a white. Font size 20 pixel. Okay, nav links. We have to have nav links. So nav links, you have to write top. You have to give the nav links over here. Okay, now let's check it. Okay, it's working here. It's working, but color we have to make it a little bit dark, and only to be change it. Here, the guide now I will be able to see the things perfectly. Okay, now working perfectly well. Now what you are going to do? Now I am going to go to do the another thing is so right there, the justify content center, the line item, everything should be fine. Now here we have typed a new button, the padding left rem or padding right. Another one is a padding bottom, padding top. So to make it as a padding bottom top. Border radius of the button. So it is a border radius. You have to give us as a 2 pixel. The font size 2 rem. So to make it as a font size 2 rem, font size, so I to make it as 1. Little bit bigger, seems to be little bit bigger. After that, font size, font weight board, font weight board. Background color, this kind of color you have to give it. save all, and color white. Save all. You have to make it white. It's coming here on the left side. Left hand. You make it as top left. Now here I'm going to change it here as you have to change it here as body and change it as display flex. I forgot to put it here. Now let's check it here. It's aligned successfully. Now if I want to change the color, this is not actual my color. My color should be this color. The color is this. It's a background color of this. Don't worry, I give this also score. The color is this. This is a color. Okay, that's why it's a color. This is a color here also. That's a color. New button also, but it's little bit dark. That's it. Now let's save all. Bring back to the application. This is the actual look and feel of the application. You can see here now here. This is the actual look and feel of the application. I hope you guys you understood things well. So here the RAM here also put one. So where the radius you have to put it 2%. Okay, now it's okay for X. Okay, thank you for watching.